Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to mute notifications and sounds on Messenger. If your phone keeps buzzing because of messages on Facebook Messenger, don't worry, you can easily mute notifications and sounds in just a few taps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. So first, open the Messenger app. Now tap the conversation you want to mute. Tap the name at the top. Now select on notifications and sounds. So choose what you want to mute, notifications, calls, or both. If you want to mute both, just tap on it to enable it. So pick how long. You can mute the chat for 50 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, or until you change it. So for example, I'm going to pick on for 15 minutes. So you will now stop getting alerts from that specific chat. So you won't receive notifications for messages or calls. Now for the second method, you can turn off all notifications. So click on menu at the bottom right. Now tap on settings. Next, scroll down and tap on notifications and sounds. Then tap on do not disturb. So choose how long to pause notifications. Then just tap on it. And that's it. You can also open your phone settings. So close Messenger first and go to settings. Scroll down and tap on notifications. Find Messenger. So scroll down until you find Messenger and tap on it. And toggle off allow notifications. So this completely silences Messenger. And that's it. Now you can control exactly how and when Messenger notifies you. Whether you want total silence or just fewer distractions, if this helped, you're all set to enjoy quieter phone. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.